I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. As the year edges closer to an end, we continue to find ourselves behind on rain. A map of rainfall as a percent of normal from January 1st through mid-December has most of the state colored yellow, between 60 and 80% of normal rainfall. The olive green areas were between 80 to 100% of normal rainfall. If we looked at our rainfall in inches below normal, the bright red areas were more than 12 inches behind from January 1st to mid-December. Bright orange areas were 8 to 12 inches short, light orange areas were 6 to 8 inches behind normal, yellow areas were 3 to 6 inches short on rainfall. For Oklahoma, the U.S. Drought Monitor map for December 16th had it all. Oklahoma had non-drought areas in eastern Oklahoma colored white and every level of drought designation within our borders. The dark burgundy areas in southwest Oklahoma and the northern half of Ellis County continued as D4 exceptional drought areas. The red areas were D3 extreme drought, the brown areas were D2 severe drought. Most of these are in the western third of the state, with one small area covering parts of Osage, Pawnee, and Creek counties. Tan areas were rated as D1 moderate drought. At the lowest drought designation were the yellow areas rated as D0 abnormally dry. Wednesday afternoon was a time on the edge across Oklahoma. We were on the edge of freezing temperatures that were edging in from the north. At 5:25 p.m. on Wednesday, only one Mesonet site was at 40 degrees, Goodwell in the Panhandle. For the rest of the state, air temperatures were in the 30s. Wednesday, we were also on the edge of darkness. Sunlight levels at 4:35 were extremely low from the dark, low-level clouds. Cimarron County in the western Panhandle was the only area with the full sun late Wednesday afternoon. The rest of the state was extremely overcast, with sunlight levels in watts per meter squared ranging from 1 to the low 20s. We were right on the edge of getting some needed rain, only to see it move through really quickly. As of 8 p.m. Wednesday evening, all Mesonet sites came in under 1 inch of rain, and the areas with the highest drought designations were less than 1/10 of an inch or had no rain at all. Cattle were at the edge of their comfort range, with many cattle comfort index values ranging from the low 20s to the upper teens, the blue map areas. For relative humidity, we went over the edge, with the majority of sites in the bright blue areas coming in between 97 and 100% late Wednesday afternoon. From all of us on the Oklahoma Mesonet team, we wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas and the best in 2015. We're asking Santa for more rain, mild temps, and light winds for Oklahoma's people, crops, and livestock this coming year. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.